Movie Aksar talks about Rajiv, who is Dino Morio. He framed his wife, Sheena Udita Goswami, for a murder. He had eyed her property, and there's a photographer, Imran Hashmi, Ricky Sharma, who used to click his wife's photographs, and they eventually started having an affair. And it was kind of open relationship. Even Dino just objected once, but he was okay with it. Even he used to hang out with other girls. So what exactly happened that one night on the day of Udita's birthday, there came a lady, Tara Sharma, who had a bad opinion about Ricky Sharma, and she said that he has the tendency to just flirt with girls, and he does it only for his own ulterior motives, just for pleasure. He doesn't love anyone, and he cheated upon me. And she just was cooking up a story, and the Udita actually believed her. And in an altercation that ensued, she accidentally killed him because he tried to force himself upon her. And this Rajiv, who was a cunning man, con man, he had installed the camera in the room where the murder happened, and he took the blame for the murder. He knew that the camera is there, and Udita was unaware of it because she was told that all the cameras, Sheena was told, all the cameras have been removed, and he purposely left that camera so that the murder will be captured. And when the investigation officer came, he took the blame purposely to show that he is innocent. He took the blame and went to jail. There was a court case, and then when the investigation officer came to the same hall where the murder took place, he caught hold of the camera, and everything was clear that she is the murderer. So she had to languish in jail. She undergoes death sentence, or whatever happens after you get caught for a murder. And this fellow is scot-free, and he used to play with a plastic kind of ball. He used to keep hitting it against the wall, and because of that, they were able to. The investigation officer was able to find out the place where the camera was hit and he did it purposely. Actually, he was conniving with her, with Tara, because they had plans to usurp the property and lead a happy life. And even the butler, who used to do the washing and all, take the clothes for laundry and all, he was also involved in the con game. So the movie has a mystery content in it, and he played it quite well, and he was successful in his mission, and she had to languish in jail. So it's kind of very interesting movie. Some of the songs are really good. Himesh is there in one of the songs, and two more singers are showcased. Must watch. 4.5 stars.